Hey, and I want to welcome you guys to my new vlog today. And I just want to showcase you a little bit the things that I have right here. This is my vision board, alright? So as you can see, this is a helicopter with the logo, John K-Star, right? Then this is a Maserati, this is a Mercedes, this is a nice house. But make sure you just re-stick that glue, so it actually fits. So, some people think that might be cringe, but I don't give a shit. Like my parents probably walk in here every single day. They haven't said anything. So this is a beautiful house. And it's really important that you have a clear picture in your mind, you know. And you can see here, I have a beautiful Kawaii piano because I can also play the piano, but I want the piano in there as well. And all of this stuff, right? And you can see it's kind of like the house that I have. And also mindset, so you can see taking risks or losing chances. Actually, I thought about that one day as well, and you can see here, it's like my vision board really. Self-image thing as well, because you can see you're sitting in a car, you're smoking a cigar, having like a suit on and everything. And also, this is also important, the best trades are the ones you don't make, because saying no to most things is more important. And also some nice watches. It just inspires me to look at this every single day. It's kind of like a picture. It's like having this one, but just more specific, you know. Like I could hang anything there really. And the fact that it's just like paper printed out is, you know, it's kind of like not ideal, but it's better to have nothing on the wall, because it's kind of like you can imagine it like your mind as a filter, and your environment, your environment that you have, you can design it in a way so that it produces an output that goes into your filter, right? So your mind is the filter. Like if I would put like just shit on the wall and stuff that doesn't have any whatever, you know, then it's just like, because it's unconscious, right? Like I unconsciously think about these things, and it gives me motivation, whatever you want to call it, right? Because like, bro, like, yeah, I could also throw a piece of art on there and actually make it look good, but it doesn't matter because it just has to be functional. The subconscious mind doesn't know the difference. Oh yeah, okay, I just came back from the bathroom. It was really good. And as I sat on the toilet, right, a few minutes ago, I just thought to myself, if people would just do that thing by itself that I just showed you, they would already be one step further ahead. Massively, right? Instead of watching TikTok, porn, whatever, bro. But even if that thing is valuable, that isn't even the topic of today. The topic of today is the 3D project that I'm working on right now. And I want to show you how I did this whole thing, because it's pretty interesting how this stuff works. Because on social media, I wanted to stand out, and a big problem always has been that I never wanted to be just a guy on social media who just posts like, oh, here's a breakdown of my song, listen to my song, like all this generic stuff. I get inspired very quickly by other people, and I just met somebody, he's crazy, bro, crazy editor. I want to show you as well, 1 second. Lenny Bartolomeos is his name, and wow, this guy is crazy good in what he's doing. Let me just show you. He actually started with like Minecraft and all that stuff, and it's so cool. So this is his profile, and I'm also in his private Skool Community. So I have like private access. Also, I'm the leader. I'm number one. Look at this. I'm number one someday. Look. Okay, not to brag, but yeah, Lenny Motion, bro. He's crazy, bro. Look at him. Bro, this guy is so good. And he edits, bro, look at the videos that he did. 1.7 million views, 2.5 million views. This is like a Minecraft YouTuber, and this is the stuff that he edits. It's like crazy, man. I have so much respect for that, honestly. And yeah, this is the kind of stuff that he's
The
doing.
immense impact social media has on a business is undeniable. Yeah. Growing numbers, increasing
like
sales.
he focuses probably more on businesses rather than like actual DJs or whatever, but you can apply that to your DJ service as well, because you need to realize that a DJ is also a service in a sense, nothing else. Because I told myself, oh, a DJ is not a real job or whatever. Like, dude, a DJ is a part of the entertainment industry. And what kind of service is that? It is indeed a service, because people seek more life for themselves, and more life can be a form of entertainment. Netflix produces hundreds of millions of dollars every single year, and you're telling me that the DJ is not a good career to pursue? No, bro, not at all. Like, it's just like being, like it's just looking for excuses in the end of the day, I think, and having a vision for yourself and actually sticking to the vision, it's as simple as it gets. So now Lenny Motion, he's really good. He's actually German as well, which I really like. It just gives it more like authenticity, and like that's kind of like Minecraft stuff. But let me show you Instagram. So Instagram, oh yeah, continuous Junkister. I hope you don't see my password. Okay, so this is Lenny Motion, Lenny Bartholomeus, and the best reel that he has is probably this one.
Onto this video. I'm gonna show them what they're missing out on. You ready? Let's go. That was pretty cool, right? If you want to learn stuff like this, comment tutorial and I will teach you. So Mercedes didn't want to.
So yeah, this is like actually crazy, man. The videos that he produces, so good, man, so good. And one thing right now as well is that, oh fuck, I'm so excited for this, honestly. So what I did was I stepped into Blender, right? You can see right here, this is Blender. And I recreated like the whole thing kind of like similar to it. So I transformed my MacBook into this DJ controller, and obviously, like I don't want to do a whole breakdown of all of that stuff right now, because it just would take too long, bro, to do that. But like that's how it looks, and man, that's gonna be a fucking sick project. I'm also learning how to edit Imangaji and everything. They have a whole Skool Community actually, and that's just like really cool. They are pretty active in there as well. Like you have everything like this stuff and all that stuff, and like Roast Me is also good, because like you can post your own stuff right here. You get like feedback and everything. That's not sponsored or anything right now. But like it's really cool because people, and actually Lenny himself, he interacts with you and everything. It's just really great to have somebody who's gone that far since like 2012. Like just imagine having somebody around you who's editing videos since 2012 and giving you feedback on that stuff. I think it's a way better investment than just investing to a DJ coach on how to release tracks and everything, because dude, attention is attention, and it can transform into any energy that you want. If you have following, if you have people that follow you for who you are, it doesn't matter what you do. You can sell basketball socks, right? And it's the same thing with music. It doesn't really matter, but what matters is the type of quality of content that you produce, and like your overall mindset at the end of the day. Your mindset is everything that matters. Me talking to the camera right now is a form of showing up every single day because people want to see what I'm doing, right? Like the shit that I'm doing, somebody needs to see to be inspired, okay? And you gotta have the same mindset. Share the things that you're doing. I don't care what it is, bro. If you fucking taking trash out every single day, film yourself, man. And I think it's really cool because you can make something out of nothing. But yeah, I think that's it for now. I just showed you my project and I showed you my room a little bit. I think that's a good value for now. So let me know in the comment section if you have a similar vision board, if you think that's crap or if you think that actually works. And yeah, also join my Telegram group, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, stay tuned for the end result, because dude, what I'm gonna create is gonna be so sick. I mean, you've seen it by yourself, and dude, it's gonna be really sick. So see you in the next one.